Maytagbravo top load washer is stuck in lid lock.
Welcome. I have 23 years of experience in the appliance repair field, working directly with all major appliance brands. Sorry you are having this problem. What is the exact model number, please?
MBWB 700VQ.
Good model number, thanks. If you were unable to get the lid open, you will need to lift the top. Take a putty knife. Insert it in between the top of the washer and top of front panel at the locking tabs number 8, one on each side. Once you have the top up, you can remove the lid lock number 29. Replace the lock. Click here for part.
Is the part easy to replace?
Yes. Once you have the top up, remove the 2 screws. Follow the wire harness back to the computer, which is located under the control panel. To remove control panel, there will be screws number 14 along the back. Remove the screws, then tilt the panel forward. The lid switch is plugged into the computer number 1 at the right side. It just pulls directly out. Simply replacement.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.